Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Ubiquitous Data Accessing Method in IoT-Based Information System for Emergency Medical Services. The main contribution of our project is the rapid development of Internet of Things. That means the IoT technologies makes it possible for connecting various smart objects together through the Internet and providing more data interoperability methods for application purpose, which delivering clinical information or medical information about the patients at the point of care to physicians is critical to increase the quality of healthcare services, especially in emergency department of hospitals. In IoT services, we provide the patient details and then appropriate service for the corresponding patient details. The details based on their patient's requirements or of their disease, the pre-treatment, post-treatment, and the corresponding tablets are provided on the risk patients. The process of ubiquitous IoT data accessing can be designed as the following flow diagram. Cloud application sends the data accessing request and then it checks the accessing right and sends the request to the web service if the request is approved. The resource control mechanism facilitates the resource accessing request to be sent to the database and the database allocation processing the request. Database connecting layer fetch data from shared and isolated databases. In the ubiquitous IoT data processing, IoT data is organized as data resources. They can be stored in any database with any unique resources for ubiquitous accessing. In this, when emergency events occurs, resources are loaded into the emergency decision-making platform to facilitate a dynamical decision-making process. In this emergency process, information sharing is important for decreasing information uncertainty. Thus, information resource ubiquitous accessing component is the key point of our architecture. Now the demo of the process. Right click on homepage.java. Then select run file. Click admin. Click admin ID to get the ID. Give the password. Then click enter. The admin logged in successfully. Then we can add the new patient registration. Give the patient name. Get the patient ID from the server. Then give the age of the patient. Then their contact address and the corresponding blood group. Give email ID. Select patient type and give the disease of the patient. Give the password. Get the fingerprint. The patient details are registered successfully on the back end. Then select the donor. Give the donor details. The details are representing the donor name, blood group and their father's name, email ID, password and their related things of the donors are get from the donors. The data are loaded into the database. Get the donor details. Enter the mail ID. Enter the email ID. Password. Click enter to get the last blood donation and the number of blood donation by the donor. Click emergency. Give the positive and the corresponding some of the blood details. Emergency notifications of the details are viewed. Then the patient views are viewed. Enter the patient ID and the corresponding password. Click login. The patient ID and their passwords are verified. Then show the details of the patient. Then we go for the hospital views. Click hospital view. Get the thumb finger of the corresponding patient. The password of the corresponding user. Verification. The patient details are verified successfully. Then the patient view. Get the thumb finger of the corresponding user. Patient ID. Disease. And their pre-treatment, on treatment and the post-treatment. The corresponding tablets are generated. Details are uploaded. The end times of loads are uploaded. Then we give the patient ID. The ontological view are viewed under basis of the patient ID. Thank you.